They say failure to plan is planning to fail. That's why in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the process step by step, showing you how to open a Roth IRA with Fidelity and connect your bank account for automatic transfers so that you can start investing today. And make sure you stick around to the very end because I'm going to be clearing up a huge misconception about Roth IRAs that I've seen so many people get wrong, and unfortunately it can cause massive financial setbacks. But you don't have to worry, I will let you know exactly what that is. But before we get to that, I will walk you through the rules of the Roth IRA, and then we will set up the account together, and let's get into it. There are some basic things you should know to ensure you qualify to open a Roth IRA. First, there are no contribution age restrictions, but you must be at least 18 years old and have an earned income to open an account. If you are under 18 and you are working, your parents or guardians can open a custodial Roth IRA on your behalf. Second, to be eligible to contribute in 2023, your annual income must be under $153,000 if you're filing taxes as a single and under $228,000 if you're married filing jointly. These are the very top income limits, so it's important to know that there are income phase-outs that occur prior to these limits, which can reduce your annual Roth IRA contribution limit. Speaking of which, the annual contribution limits for 2023 are $6,500 if you're under age 50 and $7,500 if you're over age 50. And these contributions are made with post-tax income and grow within the account tax-free, and you can also withdraw your contributions tax-free at any time. So now that you know the basics, let's go ahead and open the account. All right, so now I'm on the Fidelity homepage, and once you get here, you'll want to click on Open an Account. And you'll see that multiple different options pop up, but we want to open a Roth IRA today, so we'll click Open Now. And now it's asking if you're already a Fidelity customer, and if you have a brokerage account or a 401k from your work already through Fidelity, then you'll want to click yes. But I think for most people, the answer here will be no, so we'll click that. And then the next step here is to just fill out your personal details, so your name, your social security number, date of birth, country of citizenship, and your address. After you enter your personal details, the next step is to enter your employment information. So if you click on employment status, if you're employed, self-employed, whatever your status is, you'll choose that. And then you'll need to enter details about your employer. So your occupation and then the company name and address and things of that nature. And then the last question on this page is asking whether you or your immediate family members are employed by a financial institution or a director, officer, 10% shareholder of a publicly held company. And I think for most people, the answer to this is going to be none apply, but if this does apply to you, you'll want to check some apply. The last step here is to just review everything that you've entered, and I won't scroll down too far on this because there is some sensitive data that I don't want to reveal here. But on this page, you also have an opportunity to enter in promo codes. And as of the recording of this video, Fidelity is offering $100 when you open a Roth IRA with them and deposit at least $50 within 15 days. So if you want to take advantage of that promotion, then I'll leave the link to the webpage with the promotion code in the description box below. And no, I'm not sponsored. I'm just sharing a good deal. But yeah, go ahead and take advantage of that because why not? It's free money. But all you have to do is review here and then click submit and your account will be created. Okay, and now that you've set up your account, your homepage should look something like this. And to set up automatic transfers and investments, you're going to want to go up here to accounts and trade, then click on transfers. And then once you get here, you're going to want to click on manage recurring transfers. And now you'll want to click on set up an automatic investment. This way you can basically autopilot your investing and you don't have to come back in often and check and make sure that things are in the right spot. All you have to do is add your money and everything will be going well for you. So I'll click on that. And then it's asking where do you want to invest the money from. So you're going to want to click an external bank account. And it's saying that this account isn't linked to a bank account. So I'll click link a bank account now. And I will click add new bank account. So it's going to send you a security code. So I'll go ahead and set this up off camera and then come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so at this point, I've done the phone confirmation and now it's time to link a bank account. So to transfer the money, I'm gonna leave it as the electronic funds transfer. And then you wanna choose like who owns the account, if it's a business bank account. And then there are two ways to connect your bank. You can either do it automatically through Plaid or enter your bank account manually. And then after you're done, you should get a page that looks like this, but remember this isn't the end of the process. Now you'll need to go back to the scheduled transfers page and set up the automatic investment and link it using your external bank account that you've just added, and then select the amount of money that you'd like to automatically invest and the frequency, and then you will be completely set up and ready to go. All right, so now that you've got your account set up, let's cover the huge misconception about Roth IRAs. So the huge misconception is that when you contribute to a Roth IRA, you are investing. And I want to tell you right now that that is completely and absolutely wrong, okay? So a Roth IRA is an investment account. And when you set up automatic transfers or you do a one-time transfer into the account, you are basically just keeping the money there until you go in and select the specific stocks, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, etc. that you want to invest in. Please do not forget this, okay? You must tell your money exactly what to do. Otherwise, your funds are just going to sit in that account and it won't be growing like you expect it to. Unfortunately, I've heard stories from so many people who have been contributing money to a Roth IRA, but they never actually went in to select the specific securities to invest in. And for years, they let their money sit there thinking that they were investing by contributing to the IRA, only to discover years down the line that their money hadn't been growing at all. And it's honestly a very, very sad and unfortunate situation. So if you walk away with anything from this video, please let it be that you need to tell your money what to do. If you're now wondering how to invest in specific securities, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, because my very next video will be walking you through the process step by step, showing you how to invest in index funds. And you definitely won't want to miss that one, so stay tuned. And until then, if you're wondering what an index fund even is, or what is a mutual fund, or what is an ETF, then click the video on the screen to watch my video explaining what each of these securities are and the differences between them. And I'll see you next week.